Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza using a pizza base. First, gather all your ingredients and necessary kitchen tools. This includes your pizza base, sauce, cheese, and any toppings you love. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. We'll cover preparing the base, adding delicious layers, and baking it to perfection. Get ready to create a fantastic homemade pizza that everyone will enjoy. Now let's get started with preparing your pizza. Begin by preheating your oven to the temperature specified on your pizza base packaging, usually around 400 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly flour your work surface, then gently place your pizza base on it. Next, spread a thin, even layer of your favorite pizza sauce across the base, leaving about 1/2 inch border for the crust. Finally, arrange your chosen toppings creatively. With your toppings in place, it's time for the cheese. Distribute your preferred cheese generously over all the toppings. For best results, carefully transfer your pizza directly onto a preheated pizza stone or a baking tray. Bake for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and melted. Keep an eye on it, as oven temperatures can vary slightly. Your delicious homemade pizza is almost ready. Carefully remove the hot pizza from the oven and place it on a cutting board. It's important to let the pizza rest for about 2 to 3 minutes before slicing. This allows the cheese to set and prevents toppings from sliding off. Once rested, slice your pizza into 8 equal pieces. Garnish with fresh basil or oregano if you like and serve immediately. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.